Hey folks, back out in the garage. Just want to take a moment to talk about these 6 amp batteries that I mentioned before. I got on Amazon. I've been using them for about a month now. You saw me using them in the skill saw there. I've been using them in my little chainsaw and drills and impact wrenches, of course. Yeah, they're working out pretty good. Keeps their charge for a nice bit. Haven't had any problems with them yet. No for failures or anything. So yeah, they for the price, it works for me. That's all I got to say. So I'll keep using them now, and I'll give you an update again as we go along. Right now, I'm building a cabinet, or sorry, not cabinet. Building some shelves for a laundry room, and so that's why I'm cutting up a sheet of board here right now, and start putting that together. So anyway, folks, I'll take you along just to show you the process. We're going to do some renovations later on, so this is part of it. Stay tuned, folks. In case you're wondering, guys, I had the blueprints drawn up for the design. You know, they're certified, engineering stamped and everything, so yeah, they work out great. Folks, I got the basic box done. You can see me here. Got the basic box built. I got to put in 2 more shelves. Then I'm going to put a face on it. That's what I ripped the strapping earlier. Nothing fancy about it, guys. Just a shelf for the laundry room. I'll get it sanded up and painted up, and it'll look just as good. I'm just using some rough plywood and some strapping, and it'll be good when I'm finished with it. So yeah, so 2 more shelves go in. Ones that I have right here. They'll go in there. She is square. I just measured it, and she might come out square again 100 times before I get this put together. But before I put the facing on, of course, I will make sure she's square. And I lost my hammer. There we go. Okay. So basically, yeah, I'm going to put in these 2 shelves. Like so, and they'll be done. And then I'll make a frame to go on the front of it. Alright guys, bring you back when I get that done. Folks, I got the box put together. Next step, of course, is to put on the facing for the shelves. And all I gotta do is I'll sand these down first and cut them to length. The outside perimeter, of course, and 1 on each shelf to keep it, give it strength. And I'll do the same thing on the back. I'll see what I'll do on the back. I might have to put some backing pieces in there. I have some pieces left over. I'm gonna put in there on the back, or I might put a full back in yet. I'll see. Anyway, folks, that's it for now. Bring you back when I get it done. guys, the shelf is basically done. I got it sanded off, and all needs now is some paint and get it mounted up. Now the paint we have for this is at the cabin. This is where this is going, so this is as far as I can go with it right now. But I like it. It's turned out quite alright. Like I said, it's just a storage shelf for a laundry room, guys, and I just used a bit of 1/2-inch plywood and some strapping, sanded it up. Time it gets a bit of paint on this now, this will be perfect for a laundry room and such. For those that are looking worried about the dimensions, it's about 45 inches by 36 inches and 15 inches deep. So, like I said, it's just a simple shelf for unit for our laundry room at the cabin. Anyway, folks, yeah, talk about the batteries again. The lithium-ion 6-amp batteries from Amazon. They work quite well in my Ryobi gear. No problems with them whatsoever. So for myself, the price is right, and for the amount of carpentry work that I do, it works out really well. So not a professional grade by any means. I wouldn't say that. If you're a professional carpenter, I'm sure you got better stuff that you're using, and you would recommend better different batteries and stuff. So anyway, for my purposes, it works out great. So okay, thanks for watching, folks. It's just a short video today about this shelf. And I'll give you, once I get it into cabin, I'll probably post some pictures of it in its final place. Earlier the week, I did some, you probably saw my last video for sure, you saw me do some Intarsia projects. This is the latest one I'm working on right now, Mr. Rabbit. This one is actually going to my cabin, and put this one up on the wall. Might be the only rabbit I get now for the rest of the year. But yeah, I saw the pattern that I had in my repertoire, and I was like, yeah, okay, I'd like to do that one. So yeah, I made that up to go to the cabin. So I'm going to finish that today. Put this over one side now to for transport to the cabin later on in the week. And we'll talk to you in the next video. So guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. And it was a short video today, but hope you enjoyed it. Talk to you in the next video, folks.